Hey everyone, today we're going to talk about preparing payroll tax reports in QuickBooks Australia. Well, that was a mouthful. But anyway, let's get into it. So this is a very super important task if you're running a business and want to stay on top of your obligations. So first things first, simply head over to your QuickBooks dashboard and make sure all your employee payroll data is up to date, including wages, allowances, and any deductions. So payroll tax reports rely on accurate employee information, so simply take a minute to make sure everything is correct. Then next, navigate to the Taxes tab in QuickBooks. From here, you should be able to see the Payroll Tax section. So this is where QuickBooks pulls all your payroll information together and calculates how much tax you owe based on your state's payroll tax rules. And remember, in Australia, each state has its own thresholds and rates. So QuickBooks lets you select your state to get the numbers right. And once you're in the payroll tax section, QuickBooks will show you a summary of taxable wages and calculated payroll tax. You can also use this summary to make sure everything looks correct. And if you notice any discrepancies, go back to your payroll entries and adjust them before generating the report. And after that, it's time to generate the payroll tax report. So QuickBooks also gives you a clear PDF or Excel version that you can save or send directly to your state revenue office. So some states even allow direct filing through QuickBooks, which is super convenient and saves you extra steps. And a quick tip, always reconcile your payroll tax reports with your payroll payments. So this ensures that what you report matches what you've actually paid. And it also keeps your accounting clean for BAS or audits later on. And that's it. So with QuickBooks, preparing payroll tax reports becomes much easier and less stressful. You just need to make sure your employee data is accurate, select the right state, review the summary, and generate a report. So if you found this insightful, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you in the next one.